Guys, I come with another video. I don't know what is wrong with these Nigerians. Waiting be una problem. Some Nigerians, I don't know where una they think from. Hey, e be like say as you they grow, they reach around 40. Your brain no they function again. I don't understand. E be like say your Gen Zs even get sense more than all these people where they 30 something, 40 and whatever. Because I don't understand waiting this guy come dey vomit here. So when I still dey, hey, okay, if you hate Ghanaians, just come and talk, say, I hate una Ghanaians. But not come they beat around the bush, they talk, say, waiting, brother, waiting do you. You sure say you dey alright? Guys, let's take a look at this video. There you understand why are they para like this. Let's watch and definitely I'll be back.
Many Ghana artists, South African artists, they'll be coming this December to dirty December in Nigeria to come and hustle. That's what's up. That's what's up. That is what the giant does. Yes, now. And this is what we have been asking for in all areas. In theme, in music, all trading, every part. Let there be reciprocity. If we are paying $10, let other citizens in Nigeria pay $10. If we are paying $20, let them pay $20. This is what we are asking for. Yes. So kudos to the Nigerian government. Kudos to the entertainment industry in Nigeria. Yes, you will buy your tickets. You will come to Nigeria for 30 December. No artist is going to any African country to go and perform. Yes. And if you see our artists this weekend, Asaka is in the US. Chris Daniel is in Sweden. They are scattered all over Europe. You know why? Because they will not go out in December. So most of these promoters are bringing them in November. So what it means is that they can come to your country in November. But once it is December, it is going to be dirty in Lagos. We must pull that string. Yes. What is Big Brother for what? ECOWAS for what? No way. Reciprocity. If our residence permit is $500, if their resident permit is $500, let our resident permit in Nigeria be $500. All those actors coming to Nigeria to act, let's caution them. Let's control them the way they are controlling us in Ghana and South Africa. This is what I'm asking for. If this is a crime, I don't want to be right about it. I want every actor in Nigeria that is not Nigerian to be treated the way we are treated outside. I want every producer that's currently in Nigeria that is not a Nigerian to be treated the way we are treated outside. So why are you panicking if you are treating us well? I will not stop. I will not stop. I will carry on this crusade on. If you like, buy me. Even if you buy me, the crusade will not stop. This is my crusade. Reciprocity.